Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in the caption, as you see, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I actually apply on my acrylic nails. So to begin, you're actually going to need some tools to actually get this thing popping. First things first, you're going to need some nail files, of course. You're going to need nail clippers so you can clip those dead nails. You're gonna need cotton balls, of course. You're gonna need nail glue. I got the best of the best, baby. That's Kiss. Maximum speed, honey. Get that from any drugstore, CVS, Walgreens, all that. So you're gonna need some nail polish remover. This one actually has vitamin E in it, so that's big. And then, of course, last but not least, you're going to need your acrylic nails. So, I actually got these nails from the Dollar General. These nails ran me about $6. But right now, I'm actually going in with my nail polish remover to actually remove all excess nail polish that I actually had on my nails, so I can have an easy application. So you guys, I'm going in with the nail file that I told you guys we were gonna need. I'm actually just filing them down, making sure they're kind of even. I know some people, they actually, it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, but for me, it just makes me feel better that I just touch them up a little bit, so when I do put my nails on, I don't have nothing looking weird or whatever. This is where the magic is finna happen. So I'm actually about to see what these nails about. So as you see, they're actually coffin shaped nails. They're actually salon acrylic type nails. So it gives that little thick type of feel. You know how acrylic is. Cause I know my other nails, they be real thin. So I had to get some thick. But they're actually Coffin, like I said. It actually came with a nail file. Hate that I actually got that, and then it actually came with some nail glue. So, oh well. But so what I'm about to do, I'm actually about to try to see which ones fit better on my nails, and yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm actually done trying to see what all fits on my nails. So now it's time to actually put these bad boys on. So as I'm cleaning up, what I actually love to do, a lot of people don't understand that when you trying to put on nails, you actually need to file your nails on the top of your nails. You need to file them down because it actually creates a substance of this type of rough feeling. So where when you do put the glue and your nails on your nail, it actually stays. That's why, like, when I put on my acrylic nails, I always file my nails on the top of my nails because they actually make my nails stay on for like 2 weeks or so. So make sure you guys actually do that because that is really how your nails stay on longer. Okay, now since we got these nails all filed and ready to be nailed. Oh my god, I'm so lame. Okay, so I'm going in with my Kiss Maximum Speed Glue, of course. Like I said, you can get that from any drugstore, Walgreens, Walmart, CVS, all of that. So I'm just applying it on my nails, and I'm just gonna apply the nails on. Okay, so I'm done applying my nails. Now I actually love to go in with my nail file. I actually love this kind with the metal end because it's more thinner than the regular files and it gets in between like your cuticles and stuff, like the places where you need the file. So I'm just gonna file them and shape them up. Like I said, these are coffin nails, so thank God I ain't have to do too much shaping up. Okay, so now I'm done actually filing my nails. I'm going in with my Revlon nail polish brightener. It's a nail brightener. I actually got this from Walmart, and it helps with just brighten the color of your nails. You ever had a nail polish color where you want it to actually pop? This is the nail polish to actually use. I'm just applying this on my nails because the nails already came with this white clear type of tint. So I'm just adding this nail polish on so it can actually give it that shine sparkly look. So now I'm actually going over my nails with my clear coat. After I put my nail brightener on, I had to let that actually dry. But now I'm actually about to do the clear coat, and after that we're gonna be done. I just want to say thank you guys for actually stopping by to see what I had going on for today. And like I said, if you're new here, go ahead, like, subscribe, so every time I do drop some good shit, you guys will already know what's up. And for my Rosebuds that's been here since day one, come on now. I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Later.